Hello, legal hustlers. In this video, we will explore the concept of terms in logic. We will also examine the different ways that terms can be combined using logical operators to form more complex expressions. The term is a word that is independently used in logical arguments, and term is a word that can stand on its own and express a meaning. Naturally, all words cannot become terms. So, we must note that the terms have two senses, on the basis of the meaning indicated by them. These senses are called connotation and denotation. Also, the terms are seen to indicate two things, quality and quantity. Quality indicates the presence or absence of things stated, while quantity indicates number of group member that possess that quality. The terms indicate either the presence or absence of something. According to their function, they are classified into positive and negative. And on the basis of the quality and quantity indicated in terms, the terms are classified into three more types. These classifications depend on the difference in quality, or quantity, or both. When only the quality is different, the terms are called contrary. When only quantity is different, the terms are called subalternate, and when both the quality and quantity is different, the terms are called contradictory. Connotation and denotation of terms. 1. Connotation, on the other hand, refers to the emotional or cultural associations that are attached to a term beyond its literal meaning. For example, the word dog might connote loyalty and friendship, or it might connote dirtiness and low social status, depending on the context and the cultural background of the speaker and the listener. 2. Denotation refers to the literal or dictionary definition of a term, which describes its referent or what it points to in the world. For example, the denotation of the word dog is a domesticated mammal with 4 legs and a tail, kept as a pet or trained for hunting. Positive and negative terms. 1. Positive term is the term which affirms something or quality in something. 2. Negative term is the term which denies something or quality in something. The terms indicate either one individual, or a small part of group indicated by the word, or the whole group indicated by the word. Contrary and contradictory terms. 1. Contrary terms are terms that are opposite in meaning but can both be true. For example, hot and cold are contrary terms, since something can be hot without being cold, and vice versa. 2. Contradictory terms are terms that cannot both be true at the same time. For example, alive and dead are contradictory terms, since something cannot be both alive and dead at the same time. Distinctions between 1. Proposition and sentence. A proposition is the meaning or content that is expressed by a sentence. A sentence is a grammatically complete string of words that conveys a proposition. For example, the proposition, "the cat is on the mat," can be expressed by different sentences such as, "the mat has a cat on it," or, "on the mat, there is a cat." 2. Proposition and judgment. A proposition is a statement or assertion that can be true or false. A judgment is an act of the mind that affirms or denies the truth of a proposition. For example, the proposition, "the cat is on the mat," can be judged as true or false depending on whether there is actually a cat on the mat or not. Proposition and fact. A proposition is a statement or assertion that can be true or false. A fact, on the other hand, is a state of affairs in the world that corresponds to a true proposition. For example, the proposition, "the cat is on the mat," is a fact if there is actually a cat on the mat. Constituent and component. In logic, these terms can be used interchangeably to refer to parts or elements of a whole. However, in some contexts, constituent may refer to a part that is essential to the whole, while component may refer to a part that is not necessarily essential but contributes to the whole. For example, in a complex argument, the premises are constituents or components that contribute to the conclusion. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.